Against the deep blue sky a phantom appears, the F-22 Raptor. It's not heard before it's seen, and often it's not seen at all. This jet is the pinnacle of American air power, engineered for both speed and invisibility. Its two Pratt & Whitney engines unleash immense thrust, enabling it to outclimb, outmaneuver, and outrun any adversary. The Raptor can supercruise, sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, covering vast distances efficiently. Its stealth technology lets it slip deep into enemy territory, unseen by even the most advanced radars. Pilots call it a ghost, able to see everything while remaining invisible. This advantage turns dogfights into one-sided encounters before the enemy even knows it's there. The F-22 isn't just a fighter jet, it's a statement of intent, a symbol of strategic dominance. The US invested billions to guarantee air superiority, and with the Raptor, they succeeded. It's a legend in its own time, a true ghost in the sky, holding the balance of power in its wings. Conceived at the end of the Cold War, the F-22 was built to ensure absolute control of the skies. Stealth is its foundation, every angle and surface crafted to deflect radar, its skin coated to appear as small as a bumblebee on enemy screens. Weapons are hidden internally, preserving its invisibility until the moment of attack. Thrust vectoring nozzles give it unmatched agility, allowing breathtaking aerial maneuvers. Its avionics suite fuses sensor data into a single, clear picture, giving the pilot total situational awareness. The F-22's radar tracks multiple targets from afar, all while remaining undetected. It can act as a mini AWACS, sharing sensor data with allies. The Raptor's first look, first shot, first kill capability sets it apart, knowing where the enemy is long before being seen. The F-22's doctrine is simple: first look, first shot, first kill. Its radar detects threats over 150 miles away, building a complete battle space picture while staying hidden. Armed with AMRAAMs and sidewinders, it strikes from the shadows, often before the enemy knows it's there. If a dogfight ensues, the Raptor's thrust vectoring and agility give it the edge, executing turns others can't match. Its internal cannon and maneuverability ensure dominance even up close. The pilot receives clear, actionable data, no information overload. Advanced computers handle complexity, letting the pilot focus on tactics. The F-22 is more than a sum of its parts, it's a complete, overwhelming weapon system. This synergy cements its reputation as the world's most powerful air superiority fighter. The F-22 is so advanced, the US banned its export even to allies under the Obey Amendment. Its stealth technology and avionics are national secrets, too valuable to risk sharing or downgrading. The US decided the only way to protect the Raptor's secrets was to keep it exclusive. This exclusivity ensures America's asymmetric advantage in the skies. Selling it abroad could have diluted this edge or entangled the US in unwanted conflicts. The export ban is a measure of strategic self-preservation. While the US exports other advanced hardware, the Raptor remains off-limits. Allies have had to seek alternatives, cementing the F-22's status as America's exclusive silver bullet. The ban underscores a simple truth: the F-22 is not just a weapon, but a critical pillar of US national security. Its secrets remain locked away, a testament to its unique status. The F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II are both fifth-generation stealth fighters but with different missions. The F-22 is a pure air superiority fighter, built to hunt and destroy enemy aircraft, unmatched in speed and agility. Think of it as a specialist, a thoroughbred for air dominance. The F-35 is a multi-role workhorse, excelling in air-to-ground strikes, intelligence, and networked warfare. Its strength is its advanced sensors and ability to coordinate the battle space. In a one-on-one dogfight, the F-22 holds the edge in raw performance. But modern combat is about teamwork. The F-35's networking complements the Raptor's prowess. F-22s clear the skies. F-35s follow to strike ground targets. Only 187 F-22s were built, all for the U.S. Air Force. The F-35, designed for allies, is now the backbone of Western air power. The Raptor remains the specialized silver bullet solution for the toughest missions. America's allies coveted the F-22, seeing it as the ultimate guarantee of air superiority. Japan, facing regional threats, lobbied hard for the Raptor, as did Israel, seeking an edge in a volatile region. Australia, needing long-range defense, also made a strong case. all were denied. The export ban was absolute, even for the closest partners. These nations turned to the F-35, but the desire for the Raptor never faded. The US sent a clear message: the F-22's technology was too critical to share. The Raptor became a forbidden fruit of air power, its legend growing with every denied request. Even among allies, the F-22 remains the one jet money can't buy. For over 2 decades, the F-22 has set the standard for air dominance. Its existence forced adversaries to rethink their strategies and deterred challenges to US air power. Production ended in 2011, leaving just 187 operational jets, a rare, precious asset. The fleet is aging, but continuous upgrades keep it at the cutting edge. The next generation, NGAD, is already in development, but the Raptor will serve alongside it for years. Its unique capabilities ensure it remains vital until it's eventually retired. Lessons from the F-22's high costs and small fleet are shaping its successor. The Obey Amendment and closed production line mean no other nation will ever fly the Raptor. The F-22 will be remembered as a uniquely American weapon, a ghost in the sky, untouchable and legendary. It guaranteed U.S. command of the air, setting the bar for a generation of warfare.